Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram highlights without posting a story. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your phone and next select your profile icon in the bottom right. And from here select this three-lined icon in the top right. So from here scroll a bit down until you find this icon story live and location, select that. So select hide story and live from in the top. And you need to select everyone that you want to hide your story from, and after that you need to go back to your profile and tap your profile picture and select add to your story and select the photo for your story since you have hidden it from your followers and they won't be able to view it, and select your story in the bottom left. And once the story has been posted, you need to select plus icon in the top for your highlight and select the highlight. And you can also give a name to your highlight and you can select plus icon in the top right, and that is it. This is how you can add Instagram highlights without posting a story. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.